those of you that don't know who we are, what we do, essentially we very involved in the Antelope ecosystem. We have a service division. We help build products. I guess you could call us a startup studio. We help get projects off the ground. Working very closely with the ENF and delighted to be doing so. We're very passionate about EOS and Antelope and everything that comes with it. So I think Adrian said it really well. I really want to see more projects building on here. So certainly what we tried to do this year was really ramp up our content creation. And part of that was, I guess we didn't really want to just flood with blogs and ebooks. We are doing that if anybody's interested, but we also wanted to focus in on video as well. So we launched a new video series called The Ledge. Essentially, we'll do regular kind of video interviews, every range of different topics. We did a really good one last time on tokenization of real world assets. And now I'm very excited to announce the next one, which is essentially all about the EVM. So it's introducing the EVM, how to supercharge your Ethereum dApps. I will be delighted to be joined by Nathan, also Matthias as well, Thursday, May 18th. Anybody who can't be with us live, we will send out recordings of that. But essentially, we want to do a few things with it. We want to understand, of course, what the EOS EVM is. I'm not a techie, I'm more of a business guy. I help to build solutions, strategy. So I'm going to be coming from that point of view. It's what are some of these potential benefits, real world use cases. We want to talk a bit about the development process, how we got here. I think one thing I'm really excited about, I think Nathan's on here too, right? But we are going to do a showcase and a workshop as well on that webinar. So it's not just going to be us talking. So we will have it broken down into kind of introducing the EVM, how it works. We have a range of different questions. And again, if anybody would like to suggest some questions for me to ask, please let me know. But I would love to see some of you there on the 18th of May.